All right, this is going to be a fast demonstration of how to use Google Sheets to do graphs and data tables. Okay, so I was in lockdown, and from the day I went into lockdown, I was eating terrible food, and I gained all this weight, and I took my weight every day. Okay, so I want to do a table of how many pounds, I want to find out how many pounds I gained on average every day. So I start with day 0. My starting point, 180. Day 1, I weighed 181. Day 2, I weighed 181. In fact, really what I want to do is put weight in pounds there, okay? Okay, now, I can keep typing 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but look what I can do. Once I have this pattern, 0, 1, 2, Google Sheets understands that the pattern, and if I grab this little square and drag it down, it'll fill in that same pattern, which is really nice, okay? Now I'm going to graph it. What I have to do is select everything, including the labels up there, right? And then insert insert chart, okay? I don't want a line chart. This is data. I want to see those data points. There they are, okay? Now I can do some fancy stuff with this. I can change the axis, but I'm not even going to worry about that right now. Okay, so that's weight as a function of days. So you definitely want the second column to be the thing you're graphing as a function of the first column, the independent variable. Data range. Sometimes for some reason it will put days down here and it won't have anything for the x-axis. If you don't have an x-axis, click on this and select which one you want in there. Okay. Oops. Okay, so let's go back to this. Now what I want to do is I want to find out how many pounds I gained per day. So what you can do is I can click on a data point. Any of those blue data points would have been okay. And I come down here and I say insert a trend line. Well, it seems to be going up. And I want it to be linear. Okay, you can't really tell because you see all those dots there, but that's a linear trend line there. It's not connect the dots. And the label I want is use equation. So this equation indicates that on average, I started with 180, that's the intercept there. I gained 0.525 pounds for every day. The slope of that line is 0.525. So I could put slope equals 0.5525, and it has units, pounds per day. And then I could write up here, average weight gain per day. Okay? 0.525 pounds. Or, here's another thing I can do. I'm going to do a different one. Somebody wanted my weight in ounces. And I could sit there and I could go through, multiply by 16. Or I can use a formula, equals, and I can click right there, that times 16. See how easy it is to do the conversion? Now, do I have to do that all the way down? No, because look, see that formula? It says equals C4 equals this cell times 16. Well, if I drag this down, it fills that formula down. So if I look there, this says equals C18 times 16. I didn't have to type the formula in over and over. What if I wanted to graph weight in ounces? Well, that's a little trickier. What I'm going to have to do is select the first column and then hit Command and then select all the data in that third column, right? I don't want weight in pounds. I just want weight in ounces as a function of days. So you hit Command and hold it down on a Mac. And then I'll just insert another chart. And there it is. And then I'll do the exact same things. It came out really nice. Scatter chart. I didn't even have to click it this time. That's really nice. Then I go to Customize. Oops. I click on a dot and I go to Customize. Add a trend line. Linear trend line. That's good. And then use equation. So 0.525 pounds per day or sorry, 8.39 ounces per day. Okay, So that should show you how to set up a table, how to extend a pattern down, whether it's numbers or a formula, and how to select columns to insert the charts and find the slope of the charts.